Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Jam and today I'll be showing you how to change the desktop wallpaper or background image in Windows 10. The easiest option, or method 1, is to right click anywhere on the desktop and left click personalize. This will take you straight to the background section of the Windows settings, and from here you can select whether you want to use a picture, solid color, or slideshow for multiple images. You can also then select the image from either the built-in Windows 10 desktop backgrounds, such as this one here, or more likely you'll want to use the browse option to select an image of your choosing, such as a family photo or wallpaper you've downloaded from the internet. Lastly, you've got the fit option here, which gives you the option of fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span, and depending on the monitor type that you have, whether you have multiple monitors, whether you have a 16:9, the ratio of your monitor, for example, compared to the ratio of the image, which is more likely to be square or squarer, you'll want to try these options and see what works best for you. But in this instance, fill works well, so I'm going to leave it at that option. The other method to get to this option is also easy, but takes a few more clicks. You would want to left click on the start menu, left click on settings on the left hand side, left click on personalization in the Windows settings here, and that takes you to the very same menu. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.